Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cameron Butterfly here, and today I'm doing something really weird. What am I doing? There's actually two cameras here, by the way. Hi. What am I doing today? Well, I am making fake blood and goo for college. Yeah, weird. That's what I thought. So I'm in stage makeup, and this week's thing is bruises, cuts, scar damage, battle damage, scars, stuff like that. So for the course, we have to make a bit of fake blood that is edible and a bit of goo. So for anything, so yeah, that's what this video is. So let me get the stuff. So this whole bag is full of stuff for this. Cornstarch. Hi. Light corn syrup. We could also use dark for this one. To-go containers, because I'm not messing up my stuff with this stuff. Popsicle sticks. Why are we using popsicle sticks? I'm using popsicle sticks so I can stir it without using my spoon. Crazy glue, because basically I'm making slime, but I don't want to touch it, so I hate the feel of slime. Two different dyes. Get out of my way. Two different dyes, so I have red dye and green dye, both for the blood, this just for the goo. So, yay, stage makeup. This is really weird, but it's October, so I guess it fits the theme. So I am also gonna be, I was gonna wear gloves, but I guess I'm not now because I can't find them. So what are we doing first? I'm gonna make some fake blood first. This is really weird, I'm just saying. Okay, but wait. I have never been a part of a play that requires fake blood, nor have I ever done anything that requires fake blood. So we'll see. I guess I'm gonna mess this spoon up because I just now realized I don't have anything to measure with. Basically, I'm gonna freestyle this because I don't have a measuring cup, so we're just gonna go with it as much as we can. Oh, I also need water. Hey guys, so my camera cut off before any of this started filming, so I'm going to insert little clips of what happened in that process, anything you can see. I'll bring some water in a minute. Okay, so first, we're going to use some light corn syrup for the blood. And I'm going to freestyle it, so wish me luck. Dang, it's colored. Please don't spill. Still good. I think that's good. That's all I'm doing. Oh my god. Why did I not know that was the texture of this? It feels like hair gel. Oh my god. Hey, it's made with real vanilla though. But it's sticking in here real good. I'm gonna go get some water. Yay. Woo. I'll be right back. And I have it. It's water. We love water. It's in this to-go cup that I got from the dollar store. So I don't know how they expect me to get just a tablespoon out. Hi. I'm gonna put a little more in there, even though it's not what the instructions call for. Now I need red. Should have got a dropper. Ha 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 ha. I don't want to touch any of this. Okay. Where is the thing? Who makes something that doesn't have a seal around it? Okay, you know what? Food Wilson, y'all expensive stuff out here forcing me to spill this red all over everything. I was not prepared, y'all. At all. Ah. Okay. I stole tissues from the common space. Oh, okay. Well, that's stained. It says a tablespoon. Is this the table? I'm going with it. Basically, this spoon is now solely for stage makeup. Is there like a specific temperature you're supposed to hold this at? Because if so, I did not listen to the rules. I love how I've already created a mess and I've just begun. I'm going with this because I don't want to get any more out. Few drops of green. I don't know how to add a few drops of green. Why is it already chunky? Look at that. That's something else. That's not blood color. That's Christmas pink. I've already messed up the spoon. I'm just gonna keep using it. We got the popsicle sticks for nothing. Well, I guess it's time to get the green out. Yay, it's my favorite color, y'all. What type of green is this? It's moss green. You know I'm from the South, so you know I gotta love moss green. I gotta leave to go to a meeting in like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Oh my god. Ah! I was not prepared. I don't use this pencil. It's fine. Do you see how my process works here? It is not a good process at all. This is why all of my stuff is turned in late or weird. So what's up with you guys? How you been? How's school? You taking any weird classes like this? Just watching this for the fun of it. I hope you're not watching this for a tutorial. That is so much darker than it looks. That's a lie. That's darker than this, but you watching this for a tutorial? Because I hope not, because that is not at all what this is. We're gonna go for it real quick. Damn, that looks gross. Okay, well, Am I supposed to keep this at a certain temperature? Because this is due tomorrow. Well, I'm a theater major if you don't know, which is why I take stage makeup. I had to film as a minor, by the way, for all those that want to know. Fake blood and a mess. I gotta go wash this off my hands before. That's so weird. I don't even know what to say to myself right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go to class, and then I'm gonna come back, and we are gonna make some goo. Yeah, you heard me. Goo. This is so weird. Okay, let me clean up real quick. Ah! Now I gotta stand up. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm back, and hopefully this camera is working here. So here's the lovely gush of fake blood I had to make for class. So now I gotta pull up another recipe of goo, and I don't want to touch this at all. But I have to, because that's live. So I know I need water. I got this. I only need the green. So here's the green. I know I need that. Put the red there. Some water here just in case. I have some cornstarch, because who doesn't need cornstarch? And then crazy art glue. Why? Because it's the cheapest. That is why. I don't want to make goo, because basically goo is just slime. You know any other type of goo to make? Because tell me next time so I can keep up with like stage makeup stuff. But oh my god, this is something else. Something else. I'm gonna move this out of the way. We're gonna pretend that I didn't stain my table. 2 more containers. So we need cornstarch. Got that. Just dump it into a bowl. This glue. Don't need it. Bought it for nothing. I'll use it for something else. Cornstarch. I don't even need this one. No! Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my god, I'm just glad it's just water. Cornstarch. All I need is cornstarch and water. And apparently it's how to clean up my mess. And more water. Again, got water. Got more water. We love water. It literally doesn't even give me like parts. Oh, it does. 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water. How do you know when it's 2 parts and 1 part? Get out of here. Dirt. Okay. Yay, another one of these lids. Stay fresh with no mess. Well, I already made a mess. Ah! You know what? I'm not gonna open it all the way. Look at that, already a mess, okay. When do you think is enough? Because I don't know, is that enough? That doesn't even. There we go. Oh, that's too much. It's not in my room, guys. Where's the lid? That's kind of even. Okay, good thing I got it dressed in blacks today for tech and not this shirt. Oh, it's on my shoes. Yay. Woo. What's 1 part water? When should I stop putting water in? Does that look like 1 part or more than 1 part? I don't know. Let's make more of a mess. That looks gross. Okay, what does it say? If you want, you can add heat to the mixture to make it combined easier. Once it cools, you can store it in an airtight container. This is going in the microwave. 30 seconds. Oop, thought I lost the water again. 30 seconds is a go. And it's done. Well, that's done. Ah. That looks gross. 30 seconds with 70 watts heated. Gross, gross, gross. Oh my god, still won't mix. You know what I never use? Knife. So I guess I'm throwing a knife away. Woo, this knife already has tape on it anyway. That's why I never use my knives. Oh. I thought you said it would make it easier to stir if it was heated up. I think there's too much water in it. So you know what that means. More of a mess. Or just mess it up more. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, look. There's already some on the top. Oh, that's too much. But we're going with it. Because I already started. You can't stop. Down, now, 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 now. I'm not touching this with my hands. So to be honest, does this look gooey to you? Because that's what matters. And then I gotta also add coloring to it. Why is this so hard to mix? 30 seconds of a cheap microwave, not good enough. Yeah, that looks like goo. Now I need to add color. And I chose green because I didn't know what other color to pick. Go into the thing. Not that much. No. That's fine. Gotta mix, 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 mix. Oh, gross. Look at that. It looks marbled. Gonna mix, 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 mix. No, I'm not holding this right. I know. Oh, this looks so gross. I just don't like slime in general. I don't like the texture of slime. I don't like the sound of slime. I don't like the stickiness of it. I've just never liked it, so yeah. That's where 95% of me complaining is coming from. How is there blue? So green and green makes blue now? Right? Do you see the blue on that? Am I just delusional? Like, I don't know. I'm not touching this in class. So, yay. I made slime. Or goo, as my classmates are gonna call it. So that was us. I'm being attacked by my own creation. So there we go. Now I have made goo for stage makeup. This is what I'm paying to go to college for, y'all. To make goo and fake blood. Here's the goo. Goo. Blood. The goo is still warm and it's really gross. This is too much. This is too much, I think, but we're gonna go with it because I'm not touching that to my face. Because I don't know how to make less, and I don't apparently know how to make less. I know how to make more. But here are my final projects. Not my final project, but here are the final results of this project. And this mess, as you can see. Yeah, I need to take a shower and vacuum and definitely change before I go to class or rehearsal. But hi, this was me making fake blood and fake goo for stage makeup. Yeah, this is one weird class, but I love it. Bye. Okay, so peace out. Rock on. I love you all. Don't forget to grow your wings, fly high. Just gotta make sure everyone knows your name. Love from my skin to yours. Bye, my little butterflies. Cameron, out.
The story you are about to hear is true. Only the names have been changed. Only the names